Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and I just did a video about feathering a photograph by hand, and then I started thinking there's a lot of things in bitmap, and you can see they're grayed out like right now because this is not a bitmap. And just a word of warning, when you do this, make your photograph really small, or it'll lock up your computer or not, it'll take forever. So go to bitmap, we'll click on your item, go to bitmap and convert to bitmap. I'm going to convert it to RGB. Laser engravers would never do this, but somebody want to do sublimation. They wanted like feathery edges, and then all your borders come up. And here's one that's called frame, and I'm sure there's a lot of things you could change and modify it, but look at that right there. That's what the person was wanting. I hope that helped a little bit, and thank you for watching.